Is about to start. Who will take all 3 points?
So we're underway and the players really looking forward to this game.
Throw in here.
And out for the throw-in.
Punished for that mistake.
Passed well.
The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. He's headed the ball forward. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. The ball played back.
Corner kick now.
Corner taken on.
What a chance!
Not the best effort there. Wide of the mark for the player. Let's take another look at it.
That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. He's cut it back inside. He tries something special. Good save by the goalkeeper.
He clears the ball to safety. Confident pass. Passed inside.
That's nicely played. Efficacy now. He quickly cleared the ball. Efficacy now. Passed well.
This player is taking on the opposition.
Oh, well intercepted.
Good distribution.
Oh, well timed. They're appealing, but he's onside. Here's the shot, and the keeper really glad that wasn't on target. I'm not sure he'd have got to that.
Oh, what a miss, especially for a player with his shooting skills. The keeper hits the goal kick long.
This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up? It's time for the second half of this league match. Well cut out.
Striker's ball. Well timed then. Great defending. Striker's ball. Confident pass.
Well intercepted.
Finds his teammate.
Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up.
Won the ball.
What an opportunity. And there's the shot.
Let's see how this sub changes things. Keeper put his boot behind that. They're just looking to keep the ball.
Efficacy now. He's got the goal in his sights.
Oh, he shoots.
Well-worked goal. Great finish.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's